Hello and welcome. Today, we're stepping into the world of welding, specifically, a small welding workshop. I'm here with owner's name, the owner of this fantastic workshop. Hi owner's name, thanks for having us. Owner's name, it's a pleasure to have you here. Host, so, owner's name, could you tell us a bit about what you do here? Owner's name, certainly. We offer a range of welding services, focusing on creating and repairing metal structures. We handle everything from small repairs to custom projects. Host, that sounds fascinating. Let's take a look around and see what tools are essential in your workshop. First off, what's this? Owner's name, this is our welding plant. It's the heart of our operation. We use it to join metal pieces together using heat. We have different types for various metals and thicknesses. Host, I see. It looks quite versatile. What else do you have here? Owner's name, we have a grinder. It's crucial for cleaning the metal surfaces before welding and smoothing the welds afterward. It ensures we get strong, clean joints. Host, and this other machine? Owner's name, that's the cutter. We use it for cutting metal sheets and profiles to the required sizes. It makes the fabrication process much easier and more precise. Host, okay, these are the main tools. What kind of items do you typically work on? Owner's name, we make a lot of custom items. Doors, gates, and racks are very common. We work with steel, aluminum, and sometimes stainless steel, depending on the project requirements. Host, making a gate, for example, what's involved? Owner's name, first, we take measurements and create a design. Then, we cut the metal pieces, weld them together according to the design, and finally, we grind the welds smooth and apply a protective coating, usually paint or powder coat. Host, that sounds like a lot of steps. What about racks? Owner's name, racks are generally simpler. We cut the metal, weld the frame, and then add shelves or supports. The specific design depends on what the customer needs. Host, what is the most rewarding part of this job? Owner's name, seeing a project come together from start to finish. Also, there's a real satisfaction in creating something durable and functional with your own hands. Host, it's clear that a small welding workshop is a hub of creativity and craftsmanship. Thank you, owner's name, for sharing your expertise with us today. Owner's name, my pleasure. Host, and thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.